Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to change or customize blog option. For the job, first you go to your blog option means just click blog and blog default or any other options. This is a blog option. This is blog page option. Blog means your blog post option. For these changes, go to your blog pages and blog layout. Blog layout means go here. Is it this is right layout and this is left layout. If you want to change this, just go here and this is right slide bar. I just click left slide bar. Save the changes. After savings, I reload this. After reloading, we see this is left slide bar. Okay, this is right slide bar. And then enable banner and disable banner. If you want to show banner on your blog post, just enable and disable this. Banner title, your select the title, select here, paste here, banner home text, paste here, banner home subtext, paste here, show banner author name. If you want to show this, enable this, and show post date date. If you want to show your post date, just enable. If you don't need this, just disable. Show comment number, just click here or enable here or disable here. Show category name, enable here and disable here. Show share icon, enable here and disable here. Pagination, same. Read more button, same, and read more text here. And finally save changes. And then just I just example author text, date, business, share option is share, then share button and is read more button. Okay, just changes and I hope you know